Hello, and this is Samantha here from Recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cook sausage and bacon at the same time in the air fry basket. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to Recipethis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. So, we're going to use 4 sausages and 4 slices of bacon and show you how to cook them together in the air fryer. You can of course mix and match, so you could do sausage breakfast patties instead of regular sausage links if you prefer. It's totally up to you, and they're just so delicious cooked together in the air fryer and perfect for an easy air fry breakfast. So, out your air fry basket, add in your sausages. I'm doing 4 sausages and 4 slices of bacon, so it's perfect for 2 people for breakfast, and even better if you wanted to make some sausage and bacon butties. And then once you've got them in the air fry basket, turn it on, 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and we're going to start with a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on our sausages and bacon, shall we? And wow, they're coming along brilliantly. I like a bit more colour to my sausages than that. And now is a good time to turn over your bacon, especially if you want it crispy. Maybe add a slice there so that it's more spread out. So then bacon's more spread out now and it can go back on. Note that I'm here in the UK, you can probably tell that by my accent, and here in the UK we have what we call back bacon, which is a much more leaner bacon than what you get in the US. So our bacon will take longer to cook than your own, and often looks undercooked if you're not used to English bacon, and that's because it's more like pork rather than the crispy streaky bacon that you associate the US with. So I've got some breakfast potatoes going on at the moment in the Instant Pot to serve with it. You can probably hear the noise of it in the background. And now I'm going to put them back on. So, back in they go. I'm gonna shut up. And then we're going up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And we're going to add another 4 minutes and then see how they're doing. And then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on our sausages and bacon. And wow, they are coming along brilliantly. And it's totally up to you whether you want them now or if you want to add on some extra time. I'm quite happy with them now. That bacon's perfect to cook. So the sausages, but of course, if you wanted to do them for longer, if you like a really good brown on your sausages and you want your bacon even more crispy, then you can do so. But note that those sausages and bacon are perfect for serving now for your breakfast with your favourite sides. So these are the sausage and bacon, and they've had a chance to cool down, and you can just see how crispy and lovely that bacon is. That bacon is just so nice. That bacon is just so nice. Sausage and bacon in the air fryer, absolute must. Please try it in the air fryer yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.